All right, Doug Levi, Strategic Insurance Services. Great day here in Tampa Bay. Hope you're doing well. I wanted to shoot this video for everyone out there and highlight your value add and your value proposition. This is so important. And so as I'm shooting videos and really kicking things off for all the new team members that are coming on, as well as our existing team members, and we got a great team. And we had our best year ever last year. We grew over 22%, which is just excellent for the marketplace. So I'm so excited about that and so excited about where we're going. One of the things that you want to be able to answer or think about is why you, as you're doing and helping people with insurance. And again, whether you're full-time in this, whether you're part-time or somewhere in between, or looking at this, thinking about the opportunity for the insurance side hustle, so important you understand and have something that you can do to add value to your clients. It's so cliche, you hear it all the time, about adding value and not just client service, but client experience. And I'm a big believer in that. And we do a lot of things here at the agency to be really intentional on that. So, and we talk about this a lot. So for some of you, this may be old hat. I think it's always kind of the blocking and tackling, as I say, that we can kind of just refresh, renew, remind ourselves about that. For some of you, this is brand new. For some of you, you're just starting out. You may be in licensing, you may have just gotten licensed depending on where you're at watching the videos. So what I wanted to do is talk about why us. And again, when I say us, I say as a collective, we're a team. You're a part of my team. I'm your friend. You're part of the strategic family. I say my goal here is to help you dream big and make it happen. And I'm so excited about that. And the why Strategic Insurance Services, I have right on our homepage. So when you go to our homepage, which is www.getstrategicins. Remember, INS is short for insurance.com. When you first land there, you'll see these series of headings, right? And the first tab is why choose us? Why choose SIS, short for Strategic Insurance Services? So I just want to briefly go over these 4 things. We're going to keep this video short, I promise. Excuse me. And these are items that you can highlight as you're out talking to clients, talking to prospects, and tangible things. We're trying to give somewhat tangible things that we do that's a little different, right? Remember, differences sell, differences stand out. We don't want to be like everyone else. Excuse me. Annual protection review. So here's some of the 4 things that we do. Again, right on our page. If you forget, you can even, you can go to this webpage at any point. You can even share this with clients, right? Just to say, hey, here's some of the things that we do, and I put it right up here. Here's some of the things that we do. We want to help operate to make your life easier, for insurance at least, right? So annual protection review. So this is really big. This is probably one of the biggest things to highlight. So we have a process in place where we reach out to our clients each year around their renewal, and we offer what we call a protection review. And it's a time to check in and say, hey, what's changed? Have you made any changes to your home? Have you made any changes to your maybe drivers in your household, or whatever it may be that we may not know about? Just like going to your doctor or an attorney or a financial advisor or CPA, kind of that checkup. That we recommend annually. We've got systems in place to make sure we reach out each year to our clients on that. Now, not everyone takes us up on that every time, and that's okay. But we want them to know that we're here and we're being proactive, not reactive with their insurance. I think that's huge. One of the other things that we do is we will review the marketplace at that time. We want to make sure we're staying competitive. We're getting them their best rate. And we want to do that year after year. We want to consider ourselves their insurance managers, right? We want to take that burden from them and put it onto the agency where we're managing that for them, okay? So you can really talk to clients about that. Leanne helps run that process. Leanne Dugan on our team, if you've got questions, you can certainly reach out to her on more detail. That's one thing to share. Cutting edge technology. So we've invested a lot in technology here. Hopefully you're seeing that by the videos we're doing, by the onboarding that we've done with you, the comparative raters that we have that are online, and a whole host of things. But from the client-facing standpoint, we do digital signature for everything. So we use DocuSign and we use AssureSign. Those are 2 digital signature processes. Not all agencies do that. I realize in today's day and age, it's becoming more and more common to have this electronic and digital signature, but it's still something that you can share with clients. It's a little different. We actually had a team member earlier this year that even said one of the reasons she switched to us way back is because her old agent made her fax everything. She had to print it, fax it, where with us, we can do everything digital signature. We also have the ability to do email to text. That's something really an advantage for you, where you can email out and it'll come through as a text to the client. For our clients, we have online chat. We have live chat here. You can even see this on our website. Right now, it is off. We're only having it on during office hours. We have live chat, and clients can also text directly into our main phone number. So if a client wants to text, they can text right into the main phone number. So those are a few things from the technology standpoint. The third thing to highlight would be a dedicated claims process. And when I say a dedicated claims process is when someone has a claim, my opinion, that's our time to shine. That's our time to really help someone out. Pay the promise, if you will, right? That's what insurance is all about. There's a lot of agencies out there that they'll just give the 800 number or give the phone number to the client. Maybe a call comes in, hey, we've got a claim. Sorry to hear that. Here's the phone number to call. And then there's really no follow-up from there from the agent. We take a totally different approach. So when a claim comes in, we want to help the client with that. We want to manage that. We follow up with them. We send a card out to them, a real card in the mail as soon as they have a claim. And we have 2 of our managers here that help with the process. So you can feel confident that when people have claims and they need that help, that we here as the agent are here to help. I get involved at times on claims too. I'm still involved, very involved day-to-day operations. And if claims are going on, and some, especially depending on the client, I want to know and I'll get involved. And, so again, it's just one more thing that you can share with your clients and prospects. And the last thing out there is just to highlight that we do all lines of insurance. Not all agencies do that. So when I say all lines, again, most people that may be coming on for the insurance side hustle, doing home and auto, personal lines, flood insurance, boat, rental property, things like that. We also do commercial. So we can help business owners with all of their business owners insurance. We also do life and health insurance. So individual life, individual health, group benefits. We have a full suite of products. So we work with over 75 companies in all, and that can be a really great thing that you can point out to people, especially if they've got a lot going on, maybe they are a business owner, that we can have a one-stop place where you're really working with people who care about what they do and have these systems in place to make sure they're getting best rates and best coverages. So the last thing I kind of want to highlight on our page here is our core values. And again, I feel like this is something that if you take the time, you can certainly share with people. What do we stand for? What are we about? So the 3 core values that we have at Strategic is to do the right things always. That's integrity. So important to do that. Service, we want to treat other people how they want to be treated. And excellence, we want to do your best in all situations, giving them our all in all situations. So again, those are things that we stand on, we have on our conference room wall. I teach on from time to time and train on, and we talk about, we try and bring to life here a little bit. And those are great things that you can all share with your clients. So as we wrap up here, just to summarize again, think about the value add that you provide here and giving you 4 tangible things: annual protection reviews, cutting edge technology, a dedicated claims process, and a one-stop shop for all lines of insurance. And I promise you, if you share some of these things with clients and prospects out there, it's going to help you in your sales and help you earn more money and help more people and feel great about what you're doing. So Doug Levi, Strategic Insurance Services, dream big and make it happen. Have a great day.